Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Here let's see what are we gonna get. Just grab your sheet and cut them and split them together in this manner and you will get a beautiful and interesting shape. Now here get a blower, you have to blow the colors off and paste these crumbs of sheets in this manner and make it look like this. Further here get the cutouts of the sheets like this and then get crumbs of sheets. You have to just get the conical shapes made in this form and then above it you need to paste all of them together in this manner. This is gonna look pretty cool. Now here you have to get the sheets beautifully attached in this way. Get the candles and make the cake look like this. Pretty cool. Now here again get crumbs of sheets. You have to get the cutouts like this and further you have to just roll the papers together and get them attached in this form. Here also you have to get the sheets, cut them in this manner and then tear them up like this in the portions. Further get these colorful sheets and then you need to roll them up and tie them up together in this manner. You have to make the crumblings like this. Just tie them up all of them together to make a beautiful and lovely pattern like this. Now here let's see what are we gonna do. You have to get the sheets attached like this and then the layers of a cake. Paste them further and get a candle on the top of it. Now here get a sheet, cut it in this manner and make a flower like this. Then you have to paste it on the bottom side. This is pretty cool. With the help of crayons you can decorate the scene further. Further here get a black sheet. You need to arrange them in patterns like this and then get them beautifully secured in this manner. Again get the crumbs of papers in this way, tear them up with the help of your hands. Again get the small crumbs and then you need to attach them together in this patterns one over the other in a group like this. Make the tree look like this and then you can decorate it further in this manner. This is gonna look pretty cool. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we gonna get. Again you have to get the small circular sheets. With the help of your fingers you need to press the clay in this manner. Now here you have to get the lines beautifully attached in this manner. You can make different patterns inside and get them attached together in this way. Make the leaves again and then this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further here again what are we up to? You just have to get the clay, get the crumbs like this, you have to roll them up and then get them attached in this way. This is pretty cool, isn't it? Now here you have to make different expressions on it and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now here as well you have to get the crumbs like this and then arrange them together in this pattern. Get the black marker and you have to arrange them together in this way. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now you have to make the leaves around and make the drawing look like this. Pretty cool and amazing. Now here again get the crumbs of sheets. You have to arrange them in patterns in this way and then make the small dots in between. Further with the help of black marker you need to arrange them together in this manner and this is gonna look beautiful. You can make as many sceneries as you want. These are gonna look absolutely pretty. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you so much.